let's explore the facsimile of the Walters Book of Hours W.173. Illuminated by the Gold Scrolls Group, the Walters manuscript was made in Bruges in the mid-15th century for a Christian woman. We do not know her name, but she must have been well-to-do. Her prayer book is certainly lavish. Full-page portraits of the evangelists introduce excerpts from their Gospels. Also accorded full pages are miniatures of the crucifixion and the descent of the Holy Spirit on the Feast of Pentecost. As is the case with all books of hours, the core text is the Hours of the Virgin. Each of its 8 prayer services is introduced by a miniature and a historiated initial. The miniatures depict events from the Passion of Christ, and the initials show scenes from Christ's infancy. The painters of the miniatures, known to art historians as the Gold Scrolls Group, were named for their frequent use of backgrounds embellished with scrolling designs in gold. In this book, several miniatures have those backgrounds. But there are also backgrounds of gold leaf with incised geometric patterns. And some scenes have landscape or architectural settings. Some of the miniatures with the gold scrolling, such as the portrait of St. Nicholas, include clouds of blue angels at the tops of the images. Angels blowing trumpets appear at the top of the miniature of the Last Judgment. Most of the manuscript's pages include border decoration, and the pages with major initials and miniatures have full painted borders. These are inhabited, for the most part, by fantastic creatures, including some half-human. Peacocks appear in the borders of the pages with the miniatures of the deposition and the entombment. Although both serve as symbols of resurrection, the difference in their appearance adds visual interest. Indeed, the various inhabitants of the painted borders make every page turn a discovery. The original owner of the Walters manuscript must have been captivated as much by the dazzle of the borders as by the Christian content of the miniatures. The facsimile was published by Imago in Italy in 2025.